So we're back on Kananaskis Way today at my latest listing. It's in the Windtower resort, which is just behind me. If you're an investor for a hotel condo, you're not going to want to miss this one. This property has the best views I've ever seen from a hotel condo in Canmore, and that's what's going to generate you the most revenue when you're renting it out by the night. We're going to unit 300 today. It's on the 3rd floor. It's a corner unit with incredible panoramic views. It's got 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Let's go inside and take a look. We have so much to tell you about this condo today, but it starts as soon as you enter the unit. It's got a nice large entryway with some bespoke mountain finishes, large closets. The laundry is in the entryway as well, and then you've got this beautiful mosaic tile flowing into the main living space. So as soon as you move through the hallway into the main living space, you can see this unit really comes alive. We're on the 3rd floor here. It's a corner unit and it's got more glass on these windows than any other hotel condo I've seen in Canmore. So it brings in all that natural light from the south-facing aspect. You can see all the mountains from this, and we will get to those in just a second. When investing in hotel condos, you really want to make sure that you are buying something that is appealing to the people that are coming to use this condo when they stay in Canmore. And what are those items? Well, you want a full kitchen, which we have right here. You want the open plan. You want something that's nice and bright, lets in a lot of sunlight, and you want something that's going to maximize your revenue generation. And this unit has all of those. The first thing that anybody wants when they're renting a hotel condo in Canmore for the weekend is the views, and this condo delivers in spades. We have views right out these big windows behind me of Three Sisters, Lawrence Grassy, Howling Peak, Rundle, Cascade Mountain, and Lady MacDonald. You will not find these views in any other hotel condo in Canmore, I guarantee it. If you can't get enough of the views from the inside of this hotel condo, then just off the kitchen we have this incredible south-facing deck that you can sit on all afternoon in the nice sunlight and really appreciate those mountains in the fresh mountain air. Additional features that people look for when they're coming to rent a property in Canmore for the weekend are the updated mountain modern finishings, and this unit has a lot of those. We've got the engineered hardwood floors as well as the furniture package, and we've got 2 bedrooms. The primary is right behind me with its own ensuite washroom. The 2nd bedroom is just off the entranceway, and it also has a 4-piece washroom. The Windtower Resort has gone under some extensive renovations over the last couple of years. The whole lobby has been revamped into a beautiful seating area. And then we've also got this gym that has all new gym equipment. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this condo or any other properties in Canmore, my contact information is just below. And as always, don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.